Okay, hi everyone, welcome back again to me, and in this video I would like to read some article again. And before I start, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. The title of this article is Oil Ends Up as Bulls Show Selective Hearing the Fate Shift by Barney Krishnan, investing.com. The head of the Federal Reserve says the central bank won't back down from forceful US rate hikes till it gets inflation back to its target of 2%, from current hikes of about 10%, of about 8%. The long oil crowd seems to have a problem healing, Jerome Powell told. Crude futures tumbled initially in both New York and London trading after Powell's speech at the Fed's all-important annual symposium. On the economy, but by the close, oil was back in the positive as bulls saw the dips prevent another negative close before the weekend. New York Trade was Texas Intermediate. The benchmark for U.S. crude settled up 54 cents or 0.6% at $93 per barrel, pulling back from the session low of $91. For the week, WTI showed a gain of 2.5% after the previous week's drop of 1.4%. Brent crude, the London Trade Global benchmark for oil, settled up $1 or 1.7% at $100 per barrel. For the week. Brent was up 4.4% versus the previous week's slide of 1.5%. In Thursday's session, WTI fell 2.4%, responding. The White House spokeswoman Karen Jean-Pierre remarked that the Biden administration will reinstate a nuclear deal for Iran and remove sanctions on the Islamic Republic's oil export if it finds such an agreement in interest of the United States. Brent meanwhile slipped below $100. Some of Friday's rebound was linked to the growing noise within OPEC plus that Saudi Arabia's call for new production cuts be adhered to so that crude can be maintained at 100 a barrel. But by But by and large, it was also obvious that the long end of the oil market was doing its best to ignore the Fed's determination to bust inflation, and one of the key ingredients to inflation are high oil price. We are taking forceful and rapid steps to moderate demand so that it comes back into better alignment with supply and to keep inflation expectation answered. We will keep at it until we are confident the job is done, Powell said in a speech broadcast live from Jackson Hole, Wyoming, where the central bank was holding its yearly symposium. Okay, maybe that's all from me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And see you soon in the next video.